Hi, my name is Gary. My health issues started probably about 12 years ago. I just was starting to feel just tired and just not up to speed. I just didn't feel right. And that continued for several months, and I decided I needed to do something about it. So I went to my regular doctor. However, he had retired, so I had to get a new doctor. They ran the usual tests, did the blood work, and found out that I was hypothyroid. So they prescribed Thyroid, or a generic form of Thyroid, and put me on that, and over a period of several weeks they made the adjustments in the Thyroid. While it was just maybe a small amount of an improvement, it just got worse over a period of time. And after seeing the doctor, he says, well, just keep on taking the Thyroid, things will probably improve. But they didn't. So after about 12 months, maybe even a little longer, they decided to run some other tests, and they decided that I had sleep apnea. I did some sleep studies, and they said you probably have a mild form of sleep apnea. I was fitted with a mask to sleep in, which is very uncomfortable. And after trying several different masks, I finally found one that sort of worked, but I still felt tired. After several weeks of the sleep apnea mask, the CPAP stuff, I still felt tired and just didn't feel right. So I just thought, well, this is the way it's going to be. I just can't seem to get any better. Then I started noticing that I started feeling body aches and joint aches. I just started getting worse and worse. And over a period of several years, the body aches, pain started getting so bad it was hard to even get up in the morning. The body aches were so excruciating, I could hardly get out of bed some days. And when I was at work, I would try to muster through, but it was very, very difficult. One day, my wife sent me an email while I was at work, and she told me to take a look at this email, and the email showed a video from RedRiver Health and Wellness. And I thought, well, is this one of those things that, they promise you the moon, but all you get is a moon pie? But I finally decided to look at the video, and the woman that they were interviewing had a lot of the same symptoms that I had. And I thought maybe there is something to this, so I decided to give it a try. So I called RedRiver, made an appointment to see Dr. Stadler, and I had the free consultation. And I tell you, the free consultation was an eye-opener, because I had never had a consult with a doctor that was so concise, so comprehensive in all of the medical questions and getting to the root of my problems. I knew then and there that there must be something to this, because just of the way Dr. Stadler approached and decided that he was helping me with my problems. So I went with the program. We did the blood work, and when it came back, it was amazing as to what was going on. I have Hashimoto's disease. I'm near diabetic. My cholesterol was through the roof, and a lot of other issues going on. And I decided to go with the course, to stick with the diet that they had prescribed, and it's very difficult at first. In fact, the first 2 or 3 weeks I told my wife, I don't know if I can keep doing this, because all of the foods that I enjoyed eating, I can't eat anymore. But I stuck the course, I stuck it out, and I noticed after about 3 or 4 weeks, things started to change. I started getting a little more energetic, the pain started to diminish, brain fog started to clear up, and I was feeling much better. So I knew something was good about this program, and so I stuck with it. And it's not just a diet, it's a life change. You have to make some changes in your lifestyle, and which I dedicated myself to doing. I thought, now that I'm feeling just a little better, I just had to keep going. So I stuck it out, and after 6 months on the course, my blood cholesterol went from 284 down into the 220s, and it's still improving. My sugar levels have improved drastically. My vitamin deficiencies are improving. I am much more energetic. I'm not nearly as tired as I was even 8, 10, 12 years ago, my body pain has diminished considerably. I don't have the pain that I had before, and now I'm enjoying life much better. I just retired this week, and now I can look forward to the golden years with some enthusiasm because I can get around and do the things I really want to do. I miss so much being able to travel, going to see my grandkids and my kids, and I wasn't able to do that so much before because it was so hard to get around. Now I'm looking forward to the retirement years with a lot of enthusiasm mainly because of RedRiver and Dr. Stadler, because they really helped me. And if you have similar problems like this, you've got to see the doctors at RedRiver because they can certainly help. They certainly help me.